honey lemon pepper salmon bites. And the only seasoning you're gonna need is that Uncle Dibbz Atlanta lemon pepper hot. Let's get it. First, we're gonna make our honey lemon pepper sauce. Oil, honey. Then we're gonna come with that Atlanta lemon pepper seasoning. Garlic. Then some fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now it's time to mix it on up. Honey lemon pepper sauce. Cut up some salmon into nice cubes, just like this. Now we're gonna take that honey lemon pepper sauce and put it all over our salmon bites. Now it's time to mix it up. Get your skillet nice and hot, add your oil, then add your butter. After about 5 or 6 minutes, it's time to flip. Now it's time to turn off your heat and plate. That's good, shawty.